Hey guys, welcome to my channel Viral Edits.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have brought a huge collection of colorful shape PNGs. If you want to know how to use them, let's go to the Pixellab first. So after opening the Pixellab, you have to go plus icon and go to the gallery. So guys, here you can see I have lot of PNGs. Choose any of them and crop them. After that, click on OK and you can enlarge it. Then go to the middle point and choose the eraser color. By enabling it, you will point out that pencil circle and OK. After that, you have to increase the tolerance or smoothness. Then click on OK. You can put them on any font style. It will beneficial because you have not to fill the colors in the PSCC. I hope you will understand this simple trick very easily, and I also hope that you will like this collection. If you like it, you can download it by the link given in the description, or you may ask me to WhatsApp to have this zip file. Please like me, share my videos, and subscribe to remain updated for such fonts, styles, PNGs, and logos templates. Hey guys, follow the link given in the description or add me to the WhatsApp or the Facebook so that you might be updated for the editing material upcoming on my Pinterest ID.